coffee has gained popularity in recent years because it produces bright, flavorful coffee. And with this method, you can control the water temperature and the brewing time. And although you can buy a special piece of equipment to make pour-over coffee, you don't need it as long as you have a coffee filter from an automatic coffee machine. If you are using paper filters, grind the coffee to a medium grind, which is similar to the texture of coarse cornmeal. And if you're using a metal filter, grind the coffee to medium fine, which is like fine cornmeal. Use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Line the funnel filter with a coffee filter and set it over a thermos. Add the grounds to the filter. Bring the water to a boil. Let it cool slightly. Remember, the best compounds are released when coffee is brewed at temperatures between 195 and 205 degrees. Pour about a half a cup of water over the grounds. Let the grounds stand for 30 seconds. This is called blooming. Just adding a little bit of water to the grounds at first will ensure they get fully saturated, which will create an even extraction once you add more water. Pour the remaining hot water over the grounds. You might have to pour it in batches. Just wait until most of the water filters through before you add more. The one minor drawback of this method is that it is not hands-off. You have to be around when the coffee is brewing. But don't worry, it doesn't take too long. And with that, you have a perfectly brewed pot of pour-over coffee.